Welcome back to my channel. Today we are building something a little different. Most people think setting up a NAS means buying a dedicated enclosure from Synology or QNAP and dropping $3, $4 or even $500 right out of the gate. And don't get me wrong, those are great devices, but you really don't need to spend that kind of cash. I am putting together a multi-part series showing you how to take a cheap, repurposed desktop. Specifically, I used here Dell OptiPlex 3060 and turned it into a fully functional home server. If you are new to the term, NAS just stands for Network Attached Storage. Think of it as your own private cloud drive sitting right at home. You can store your files, photos, and videos, and you can access them from any device, anywhere in the world. And honestly, the best part about this whole setup, the total hardware cost for this entire build is just $100. That's it. All you have to do is add a hard drive. No expensive enclosure, no monthly subscription, no cloud place, just a cheap PC and single drive and the right software. Let's dive into the hardware. We are working with this standard Dell OptiPlex 3060. It's a solid little machine, but we need to make some physical modification to get it ready for our custom setup. First thing first, we need to get inside the case. Just loosen the thumb screw on the back, then slide the side panel right off. It is also a good idea to pop off that front plastic bezel. This gives us completely unrestricted access to the chassis. Once we are in, we need to clear some room. Grab the blue release tabs, swing the main drive caddy open, then just lift it completely out of the case. This gives us a clear look at the motherboard and the CPU fan. Now the main part. We need some extra clearance, so we have to remove the metal bracket. You need a drill machine for this part. Carefully drill out the factory rivets. Once they are gone, the two pieces just pull right apart. After that, drop the caddy right back to see how it fits. It should line up perfectly and we are ready to move on. For this setup, I used two 3TB hard drives for the main NAS storage. I also added a 128GB SSD just for the NAS operating systems. And that is it for the hardware. In next part, we will see how to prepare and install your new NAS OS. See you then.